And ma'am, I got 6 out of 6, ma'am, in that test.
I already checked.
Yes.
You got how many marks? Okay, now please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I got 6 out of
Where left. So in the previous class, we start a new chapter named Introduction to HTML. In that, we firstly learn what is HTML, why we are using HTML, what is the full form of HTML, what is the web pages, again, full form of HTML, hypertext markup language, web pages, web browser, websites. HTML is consists of the two parts, hypertext and the markup language. Then we also learn the features of HTML. 6 features of HTML. We already show what is the basic structure of HTML5. Today, I am going to show you the practical. Already we learned the theoretical part of that chapter. Now today I am going to show you the practical part of this chapter. So firstly, you have to be open the Notepad++. This is the blank screen of Notepad++. जब आप फर्स्टली डाउनलोड कर रहे हो तो मे बी आपको इस तरह से कुछ की दिखेगी दैट इज फ्रॉम द नोटपैड
Yes, ma'am, I have downloaded.
कुछ दिखेगा यू हैव टू जस्ट प्रेस Ctrl+N. जब आप Ctrl+N प्रेस करोगे तो नया टैब खुलेगा जैसे ब्राउजर में ओपन होता है सेम नोटपैड में भी हो राइट नाउ यू हैव टू बी start your practical. For what? Firstly, whenever you start your studies, sit properly. Whenever you start your practical of HTML, firstly, you have to be write down the structure of HTML. What is the structure of HTML? I'm using the small fonts. You can use your capital fonts also. Depend on you. Whenever you are writing the word in the angular bracket, this is the angular bracket. This is angular bracket. Whenever you are writing a word in the angular bracket, it will be a tag. This is called the HTML tag. First tag होगा आपका HTML. Remember, HTML open हो रहा है, उसको close भी करना है. There is a one benefit of sorry.
Ma'am, from someone else, there is so many noise.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me. There is a one benefit of Notepad++ is that suggestions already came, right? Suggestion already came, so you don't have to be write down every word for the text. First, to remember the structure of HTML, do this thing. Whenever you open the tag, with it, close the tag also. This is the HTML opening tag. This is the HTML closing tag. Whenever you write down the slash before a word in the angular bracket, that is the closing tag. If you are writing a slash before a word, that is called the closing tag. After HTML opening tag, that is the head part displayed on your web page, top of the web page. Head part, head opening. I am also closing it, head. Done. Now, after a head, there is a title. What will be the name of your web page that is written in the title? Title opening. I'm putting here dot. Whenever we start our practical, in place of dot, you have to be write down particular word for the web page that is related on your web page. जो भी वेब पेज बना रहे हो उसके रिलेटेड ही आपको टाइटल लिखना है ताकि सामने वाले को पता चले कि हाँ ये वेब पेज इसके लिए ओपन हो रहा है. This is the head part that is for the top of the page. Now time for the body part. what will be happen in the body part? Whatever you are writing in the body part, that will be displayed as a web page contains. जो भी web page में दिखाई दे रहा है, for example, you opening a website, you can see some of the text, images, videos. That will be all thing will be came in the body part. Closing the body. So this is the structure of body. In between the body, you have to be write down the different things. This is the basic structure of HTML. जब आप HTML फाइल बना रहे हो, इतना आपको कंपल्सरी लिखना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं लिखोगे, you are not able to see your web page on the correct way. Opening कहाँ करना है, close कहाँ करना है. What happened?
Ma'am, we have to write this compulsory.
Yes, compulsory. If you are
ma'am.
not
So,
writing the
ma'am,
HTML tag,
after writing this, our web page will be done.
sorry,
Ma'am, after when we will write this all, our web page will be made automatically.
you have to save it now, then it will be made. Right? This is the basic structure
Your
of
screen is
HTML.
black.
Remember, student, Notepad is a text editor. Whenever you are going to save your file and it's a form of HTML, the color will be automatically changed. अगर color change नहीं हो रहा है, आप यहाँ पे black color देख रहे हो. So this is the text file. Whenever you save your HTML file, that time color will be automatically changed. If it's not changed, this is not a HTML file. वो as a web page open नहीं होगा. Go to the save.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
That is your side network issue. Okay. Now here you have to write down the name of your file. आपको आपकी file का नाम लिखना है. First of all, you have to be select the destination where you want to be. Where you want to be save your file. For example, I am creating here a one folder and I want to save it here. For example, I am writing here a practical one. Writing the name. Depend on you क्या नाम रखना है ताकि आपको पता चले कि हाँ मैंने ये प्रैक्टिकल किया है जो इसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. मैंने प्रैक्टिकल का नाम लिख दिया. Now you can see here save as type normal text file. If you not changed it, it will be save as a text document. वो text document की तरह save हो जाएगा. It will be not able to run in your browser. वो as a website web page आपको display नहीं होगा. तो जब भी आप सेव कर रहे हो कंपलसरी ध्यान रखो कैसे सेव करना है. Click on the normal file. You can see here the option hypertext markup file.
Okay,
Whenever-
ma'am,
remember, whenever you are using the Notepad only, हम Notepad plus plus का यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमें hypertext markup language file का ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है. बट जब आप सिंपल नोटपैड का यूज कर रहे हो तब आपको यहाँ पे एक्सटेंशन लिख देना है .html, right? If you are using a simple notepad, you have to be write down the .html क्योंकि उसमें hypertext का ऑप्शन नहीं आता है. Then click on the save. You can see color will be changed. सारे टेक्स्ट ब्लू कलर के हो गए. अगर नहीं होते हैं आपकी फाइल एज अ HTML डॉक्यूमेंट सेव नहीं हुई है. If it's on the black color, it is saved as a normal text file. So this is the basic structure of HTML. You can use the capital words also. It's not necessary that you are using only the small words. But remember, जैसे यहाँ पे first opening HTML tag you are writing in the capital and closing tag you are writing in the small, that it is not counted as a opening and closing tag. If you are writing capital, then close the also capital. If you are writing the opening tag as a small, so you have to be write down the closing tag as a small. Small then small, capital then capital. Okay, now
Okay, ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Okay,
for
how to
example,
simplify?
Notepad.
We already learned that you have to be write down the extension .html or .htm. You can also use. Depend on you which one you want to be used. .html
ma'am.
or .htm. Sit properly. And what are you doing, Krish? Now, let's see how whenever you are writing something, how your web page will be looked like. So firstly, this is again, I'm opening the basic structure. In the title, in place of dots, I remove them and write down the title. For example, I am writing the grade 6. Okay. In the body, simply I'm writing the text. This is a demo practical.
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैंने सिंपली आपको दिखाया है क्या सिंपल
मैम ये टेक्स्ट ऑटोमेटिकली ऐसे हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, जब आपने सेव किया होगा ना वो अपने आप चेंज होता रहेगा. सिंपली अगर आपने चेंज नहीं किया तो सब कुछ ब्लैक कलर में आ जाएगा.
मैम ये प्रैक्टिकल
टेक्स्ट ना whenever you are writing the text it will become always in the blue color. जो आपको दिख रहा है ना इसका HTML हेड का वो ब्लू कलर में ही आएगा. ब्लू कलर में नहीं आ रहा तो ये आपका HTML फाइल नहीं है. हाँ बोलो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस
मैम ये प्रैक्टिकल हम आईपैड में कर सकते हैं.
किसमें?
आईपैड में.
हाँ, ये आप फोन में भी कर सकते हो. If anyone, if the student don't have a laptop computer, they can also do this practical in their mobile phone by downloading the application HTML. Okay, now. Huh?
Shiva is sending me unnecessary message personally. Yes, ma'am. Shiva has sent me also that hi, bro.
Yes, ma'am. He, bro.
Who sent it?
Ma'am, me too, ma'am. Shiva. SIVA.
Okay, so here I'm writing a title, grade 6, and write down a one sentence. This is a demo practical, and press the Control S. Remember, student, whenever you change a small change in the practical in your notepad, in your text document, compulsory you have to be saved it with use of Control plus S. Then and then you are allowed to run your new one. जो भी change किया होगा तभी आपको दिखेगा अगर आपने उसको save किया होगा. Okay, I'm going to show you.
So ma'am, if we press Control plus S, so ma'am हमने जो पहले जो वहाँ पर सेव किया था वहीं पर ये सेव हो जाएगा.
हाँ, same place. It will be saved.
Okay.
तो मैंने यहाँ पे अपनी फाइल सेव की थी. It will be show the browser symbol. You can see. I am going to open it. Okay, it's not pressing Control plus S. Now it's saved. Whenever we save, it will be changed in the blue color. Pressing F5. So you can see on the title that is written grade 6 and write down the sentence. This is a demo practical. Grade 6 कहाँ पे आया ध्यान से देखो. तो आप जो भी टाइटल लिखोगे that is your title of your web page displayed on the top of your web page. And whatever you are writing in the body part, that is the contents of your web page. Whenever you insert an image, video, any text document in the body part, that all things will be displayed as a content of the web page. Means here, this white space you can see. And title will be displayed on the top of web page. Now, for the next one. basic HTML tags. One by one, we are going to learn the tags. Students, these are the basic tags. जैसे जैसे आप आगे जाओगे वैसे टैग्स भी आएंगे, तो ध्यान से याद रखना कौन सा टैग किसके लिए यूज होता है. फर्स्ट टैग, what is the tag? Whenever the word is contained in the angular bracket, that is called the tag. Remember the definition. HTML consists of the tags, each of which convey a special meaning to the browser. जैसे आप HTML tag लिखते हो, if you are not writing a HTML tag, it will not allow to create a HTML document. अगर आपने HTML tag नहीं लिखा होगा तो आप HTML फाइल ही नहीं बना पाओगे, भले ही आपने उसको सेव एज HTML फाइल किया हो. Compulsory you need a HTML tag. Each tag is normally paired with the starting and the ending tag, as we shown. Whenever you are writing a simple tag, that is a starting tag, and whenever you close it, whenever you write it with the slash, it is a closing tag or the ending tag. First, there are the two types of tag, paired tag and the unpaired tag. What is the paired tag? A tag which has an opening and closing pair is called the container tag or the paired tag. Remember the definition. This definition also came on the next year. Yeah, next year bhi aayegi. In the 6th, 7th, this chapter also came. In the 8th, this chapter also came. What is the meaning of paired tag? If the tag has an opening and closing tag. For example, here you can see the HTML. Opening, closing both. Head, opening, closing both. Title, opening and closing is there. Body, that is also opening and closing. So this is called the paired tag. For example, I tag, sentence, I tag. This text we are going to learn one by one. जैसे जैसे आगे जाएंगे सारे टैग्स आएंगे, आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे. What is the unpaired tag? There are the some other tags which don't have corresponding closing tag, that are called the empty tags. Remember the alternative name of tags: paired tag, container tag, or non-empty tag. These are the three names which have a same meaning: paired tag, container tag, and non-empty tag. Means if the closing and opening tags are there, that are called the paired tag, container tag, or non-empty tag. When the tag have only the opening tag, not a closing tag, that is called the unpaired tag or empty tag. Here is example given: DR and HR. Don't be message continuously. So first tag we are going to learn. This is only the definition: paired tag and unpaired tag. Creating a heading. There are 6 types of heading used in the HTML for the web pages: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. You can see here H1 heading tags have an opening and closing tags. So what is the type of the tag? What is type of tag? If the tag have an opening and closing, slash means closing. If the tag, this is called the paired tag. Yes. Remember, आपको last तक इसको याद रखना पड़ेगा ये word को. If the tag have an opening and closing tags, means a pair of tag, that is called the paired tag. Firstly, what is the H1 heading 1? Kalp, stop messaging. Otherwise, remove the class. What is the meaning of why we use the H1? Formats the tags enclosed as the largest heading. H2 is the second largest and H6 is the smallest. जैसे जैसे हेडिंग जाएगी, नीचे जाएगी, डाउन जाएगी, उसी तरह से आपके हेडिंग के फॉन्ट छोटे होते जाएंगे. You can see the demo here. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. Let's see the demo for it. I'm removing this sentence. So now I'm using the H1 tag, sorry. And right here, H1. You can see the difference between the headings. I saved it and show you the output. By pressing the F5, you can see the changes in your practical. अभी मैंने F5 प्रेस नहीं किया तो पुराना ही आपको दिख रहा है. Now I'm pressing F5 or you can click on the refresh button. Whenever you click on this, so you can see the changes. This is the heading 1. Now here I'm using a one more tag, BR tag, that is used for to go down, and this is the unpaired tag. I will be show what is the use that will become on the next topics. Now H2, right, heading 2. You have to be see what will be the changes between the H1 and H2. Control S, F5. What is the heading between the H1 and H2? You can see the difference. Now taking the H3, heading 3. Close the H3, Control S, F5. You can see the changes. Wait, I'm zooming it. Okay, you can see changes. What is the difference between heading 1, heading 2, heading 3? Same you can take for the next 3 headings, H4, H5, H6. I'm going to take it. Heading 4. Over here also. Here I'm also right here, 4. In place of 2, I'm changing by 5. Six. You can see whenever I'm not saving it, it will be came on the red color. Whenever I press Control S, it will be converted to the blue color. Means your file is saved now. Control S. Alter tab. F5. You can see the changes between the headings. How the headings are different from each other. How headings are different from each other. This is the simple heading tag. Now, next tag is the P tag. P tag is used for the paragraph. P means a paragraph. जब आप tag लिख रहे हो, that is on the name. P means a paragraph. P tag, what is the use of P tag? It is used to create a paragraph of the text. Simply, you don't have to do anything. Write down the opening and closing P and write down your sentence or the whole the paragraph. This is a demo. Practical. Close P. So P have a opening and closing both tags. So it's a paired tag. Pressing Control S. Sorry. F5. So this is displayed here.
Ma'am, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes.
मैम ये तो मैम समझ में आ गया, पर मैम
हम्म।
ये इनकी साइज क्यों मैम डिफरेंट हो रही है?
क्या?
मैम हेडिंग 1 की साइज बड़ी है और मैम हेडिंग 2 की साइज छोटी है हेडिंग 1 से। तो मैम ये कैसे हो रहा है?
That is from the HTML. HTML ने heading text बनाए हैं. Why? For your use. For example, you want a larger text, so you can use the H1 tag. If you want a smaller heading, so you can use the H6. What is the meaning of heading? Everyone knows now. Whenever you are writing the paragraph, for that paragraph, you need a heading. Or for the story, you need a heading. Depend on the story. For that purpose, you have to be use the heading tag. If you want to be use the larger heading, so you have to use the H1. Size
Yes.
is decreasing by the head tags. So depend on you which tag you want to be used. That is a more suitable for your web page. आपके वेब पेज में कौन सा टैग, कौन सा हेडिंग अच्छा लगेगा, कौन सी साइज अच्छी लगेगी, आपको उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होके आपको टैग का यूज करना है. Okay, second tag is the center tag. As you know from the name, center means it will be make a text at the center of the web page. I am going to use it for the same text. I copied it. Here I am using center, opening center, now closing center. Sorry. Pressing Ctrl S, Alt Tab, and F5. You can see it will be came on the center. First, आपने simple
Yes, ma'am.
P page था. Whenever you are using a P tag,
Yes ma'am,
it will
it should
be
ma'am.
on the left side of the web page. This is the web page. Whenever you are writing a center, it will be came on the center of the web page. Next tag is the line break. It is insert a single line break. Whenever you are writing a paragraph, whole paragraph, you know what that a paragraph means, 4 or 5 lines. If you are writing a paragraph for the 4 and 5 lines and you don't want to be used to go the new line, जैसे आप enter का use करते हो. Your voice is cutting. Okay. Whenever you are
Yes,
creating
ma'am.
any text document, so that time you are using a enter for the new line, right? So for that purpose, same purpose, you have to use a BR tag. BR means a line break tag. Remember the full form of the tag. Or you can say break rule. What is the BR? BR means a break rule, or you can say line break. Let's see demo for that. I am writing here. This is a demo practical. We are using Notepad plus for editing in document. And using Google Chrome for output. Full stop. Now Control S. You can see I write the 3 lines. Pressing F5, you can see it will be came on the one single line. Now what I want from this line, we are using Notepad++ to till the output. I want this line to the down of this line. So for that, I'm using the BR tag. So you have to be go here. So whenever I'm writing here, BR, simply, this don't have any closing tag, only opening tag. So this is the unpaired tag, or you can say the empty tag. Control S and F5. You can see changes. Whenever you are using one BR, it will be go to one line down. Whenever you are using two BR, it will be take two lines down. BR means it's a work as an enter key of your keyboard. आपको पता है enter key का use क्या है? Same purpose you have to use the BR. How many BR you are using? Where you want to be use a BR? For example, I'm using here after a H2, I'm using BR. Control S. See the difference. H1 or H2 or 3 में कितना difference था? Now I'm pressing F5. You can see one line more added between the two headings. Okay. Next is the formatting text. For that we need a more time, but we don't have that much time for the formatting text. So okay. So for the formatting, in the next class on the Saturday, we will be learn the formatting text, superscript and subscript also. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
students, if you have a query in the heading tag, paragraph tag, BR tag,
Excuse me,
tag
ma'am.
or non-pair tag,
No query, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No query.
No, ma'am.